Hello! Another thing I have gotten lately are these dogs. The husky, and I think it's is it a pug, and a Doberman with cut ears, and I'm really against cut ears, but it's a stunning dog anyways. And I want to show you, these are from Temu. I do like Temu. And these are how they compare to a doll, if you wonder. And this Doberman dog is really beautiful. But I have a husky mix myself, so I heard I was talking about him. He just gave a growl. So this is one of my favorites. Of course, I will get a husky mix. I'm thinking of getting more of these dogs. They are quite expensive though. They are all male, which is a bit weird. But I have a male dog, so I don't mind. And they will fit to Barbie-sized dolls. So that's a good purchase if you need a lifelike dog for your dolls. They are all painted beautifully. I'm not sure about eyes, but maybe the people who know about these dogs maybe will tell me more what you think about the painting. But I do love the painting on the husky. It's very good. And the Doberman is beautiful. Doberman dogs really don't have pointy ears like this. It's when people have cut in their ears like this, and that's animal abuse in my opinion. So not too good, but it's still a beautiful dog, and it's just a toy, so but keep that in mind. It's not a good look for real Doberman dogs, in my opinion. Where I live, it's actually illegal to cut dogs' ears like this. Okay, what do you think about the dogs? Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.